Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about a very important DAX function, that is user relationship function. So here you can see this is our data: product ID, product name, order date, delivery date, price and quantity. Okay, here you can see these two products are not delivered yet. Okay, so if I want the total sales value of the products which are already delivered, that means these four products are already delivered. How to calculate? Okay, here you can see uh, this is what I created. Total sales of SumX. You know SumX function. SumX function, it takes first the table value, table name, that is deal table, and it is summing up price with quantity. Okay, and this is our result. This is total sales. So total sales of, here you can see the 6 days value are there. Total 6 days sales is this one, 2336. But I want only the sales data which products are already delivered, these four products. So how to calculate it? For that I have to go to data model. So here you can see I have created a date table. Here you can see it is normal date table, calendar function. Starting date is May 23rd, May 2023 to 31st of May 2023. Okay, so from this calendar table, I am creating two relationships. First of all, this is date to order date. Okay, and second is date to delivery date. But here you can see this one is solid line, this one is dotted line. Why? This one is solid line because it is an active relationship, and this one is dotted line because it is an inactive relationship. Why? Because it is causing for the tabular data model. So what tabular data model says? Tabular data model does not support multiple column relationship between two tables. So we are creating relationship from same date column with two different dates from the different table, right? Date to delivery date, date to order date. That's why it is creating an inactive relationship. So active relationship with order date only. But if I want the product, the sales value of the products which are already delivered, okay, for that we need, obviously we need the delivery date, right? So for that, here you can see, but it is an inactive relationship. So how to activate it? So for activating it, user relationship function is needed. Okay, so for that I have created DAX calculation. Here you can see this calculation says calculate function, again the same SumX function. SumX is creating total sales, calculating total sales, and from the calculate function, this is our filtered value. So first of all, it is filtering the delivery dates, all delivery dates. From that delivery dates, I am creating the user relationship with date table and delivery date table. So this is calculating the total sales only the products which are already delivered. Okay, that means these four dates data, these are already delivered. These two dates will be excluded. These two dates will be excluded. This is how it is important user relationship function. This function, what is doing? It is activating the inactive relationship. Okay, so I think you got my point. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and like my video and share it to among your friends who are interested in Power BI. Thank you guys. Thank you.